Well, today I'm going to introduce a brand new browser. This brand new browser that I'm going to show you right now will just blow your mind out of this world. Out of this world because it's named Comet. So a brand new browser that's built from scratch, that's AI integrated, and it helps with accurate searches. So it can also summarize anything you want instantly. It's fast and fun to use as well. Now this Comet browser that I'm talking about is brought to you by Perplexity. Now if you're new to this Perplexity term, or if you haven't heard about it, it's a free AI powered search engine that provides accurate contextual information from trusted sources, and it also gives real-time answers to any questions that you ask. It's been there for a while now, Perplexity, so you can use it on your phone, you can use it on your desktop as well. So it's fast, it's reliable. So the way it gathers information or data to whatever query you have is from very trusted and reliable sources across the internet. So it's like parallel to the Google's search engine. You can do pretty much anything you want on this browser, so which I'm going to show you. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now it's really brilliant on how they have designed this to compete already existing browsers, right? So there are browsers like Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Opera, and I also included Edge there, and much more. So it's competing these giants. As of now, it's invite based only. Of course, it will be made available to everyone soon, hopefully. But worry not, watch till the end of this video and I'll give you free invites so that you too can try it out early. So make sure to watch the video till the end. I'm going to tell you how you are going to get that. So you can skip this installing part if you are not interested. So you can skip the timeline and forward it to directly browser's functions. So let's say you have the invite and you're trying to install this one. So clicking on the invite link on your email will lead you to download Comet button. So click on it, it will open a new window, and then click on get Comet. Enter your email address and click on continue with email. Then enter the code that you received in your email inbox. Once you enter the right code, it will automatically start to download the Comet, so you don't have to do anything there. Once downloaded, double click on the installer and then a window will pop up saying welcome to Comet. Then click on start install. So sit back, relax for a while, and then you can launch the Comet. You can also turn on the speakers actually and enjoy the launch of the Comet browser with beautiful launch intro in the beginning. So they have created that one, so it looks quite unique there and feels refreshing as well. So click on get started and instantly you'll be asked if you want to import everything like tabs, be it the settings, bookmarks, extension, etc. from your regular browser that you are using instead of Comet. So let's say you have some tabs open on the Comet and you have logged in there, so you can bring those things to Comet browser as well. If you want to skip that part and you want to really enter it fresh, you don't want to import anything, just click the do this later button located on the bottom left corner of the window. Now enter your name and select your favorite avatar here. So again, it's quite cool there because you're in Comet now. So click on continue and then select the options that you want to keep. So you can go through them and whichever you like you can keep that, otherwise just disable that. So finally you can start using the Comet. So here we are exploring the Comet browser. So right in the beginning you have the try Comet assistant, as you can see, and it will help you explore several possibilities here. So they have given you, because it's a new browser and people are very new to this one, so you can easily go through the instructions there, or the videos are also available. So I'm going to show you some examples here, really interesting one, so stick to the end of this video. Now interface itself is very minimalistic and well laid out, as you can see, with important stuffs such as the widgets on the home screen. Obviously you can remove that and keep it totally blank as well. Now there is also this voice mode, just in case you don't want to type, so you're using laptop, you can enable the voice assistant there. You can pretty much say it out loud and the assistant will do the job for you. You also have the assistant to instantly activate even more information for a conversation kind of feel, so you can continually use as if you're using ChatGPT or Google's Gemini or any other AI there. So pretty cool thing about this browser is it has infinite possibilities on how you can search and allot a task to it. Now it's a complete browser after all, so you have plenty of tabs there, you can do whatever you want. You have the assistant to help you as well. So let's see some of the examples here. So let's say you have emails piled up and you haven't gone through all of them in a while, so you can ask it to summarize, you can ask it to categorize the emails, you can ask it to mark it as read, filter for spam emails, and you can do a lot of things there, depends on your creative mind. You can also ask it to schedule, automate the reply, and like I said, plenty of possibilities you can do with it. Now what I did was to ask the Comet to prepare a paneer butter masala recipe and add the required ingredients to geo-marked card there, so that I can buy those things and prepare for the recipe. And amazingly it did so very well, so you can track it live and modify with any changes as well. So as you are seeing here, so it's doing doing a great job, and on the right it is showing what it is doing as well. So it opens up the GeoMart page and starts finding for the ingredients and then adds it to the cart as well. So you can also ask it to do the payment, but you can do it manually as well. So until that, it will do it very easily. You can also continue conversation with it, like if you have missed anything, you can ask it to add, and what quantity, what ingredients you want to add or remove, you can do that as well. And I asked it for a step-by-step recipe as well, and it did really well in recommending me very nice recipe. So it's just incredible on how you can automate things that you used to do it with your fingertips. So you can try it out yourself and let me know in the comment section down below how's the result. Next, I asked Comet's assistant to find the best phone under 20,000 rupees on Flipkart that has best reviews across the internet, and boom, it opened Flipkart, searched for the highest ratings phone, and that also has good reviews across the internet. And according to it, the Motorola G85 came out to be the best phone under 20,000 rupees. Would you agree? Let me know in the comment section down below. And it also gives more details on the phone and successfully adds it to the cart as well. So it does the job until there. So you can easily go there and do your payment if you like the phone. So I'm absolutely amazed by how accurately it does things. Now this keeps improving, this keeps developing as we are talking, and this is also maybe how the future shopping looks like, I wonder. So this is just a glimpse of what you can do on this browser. Just like any other browser, you have extensions working from Google Store, you have the bookmarks, you have the settings, appearance changes, everything else, while not consuming much memory space. Now that's really important as well, right? So the inactive tabs remain closed and doesn't occupy much space, and it's very well optimized and is developing. Most importantly, it keeps learning on how you are using and optimizes accordingly. So that's what I noticed. I've logged into the Perplexity, so what I'm searching based on that and how I'm searching, so that also matters there, because based on my pattern, my search pattern, my work pattern, so it recommends and it suggests and does the things as well. So overall, it's a nice intuitive browser at your fingertips. But since we are so much accustomed to using Google's search engine there, our mind just needs some time to adapt to any new search results such as the one you get on this browser. So you should definitely give this a try is what I suggest. So have free invites which I'm going to give it to you randomly, or maybe on the first come first serve basis. But first, make sure to please subscribe to my channel obviously, and follow on Instagram and Facebook as well. So link to it will be in the description down below. You can just click on the follow and comment your thoughts about the Comet on this video. So yeah, that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this video. If yes, give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new here, don't forget to click on that subscribe button. Do share it with your friends. That's it in this video. See you in the next one. Until then, take care everyone. Bye bye.